Welcome back to my channel at Jackie Naturals. I want to show you how to use cactus as vegetable, and somebody may ask, how does cactus itself taste? This is the cactus that I put here at the center. It has a sharp taste, some lemonish, just mild lemon. It's very nice. So you need to know how to mix it, how to dress it very well. If you don't like that taste or the sour taste, or you need to know how to balance it. Like use some lemon, dress it with some lemon. You can dress it with some honey if you like, as you desire. I prepared this. This is some avocados and some cactus, and then I have some carrots. You can grate the carrots or shred the carrots into small shreds, or even the tomatoes. The tomatoes you can do small pieces. You can chop the way you want, but mine, I wanted to make it like this. You can just make it in the form of guacamole, like the shredded cabbage, some onions. You can do some tomatoes and some carrots. But today I've prepared this. It's very nice. Now simply I'm going to show you how to dress it. I like mine when it's not dry like this. I like dressing mine. This one, I did some cactus gel, some cactus water, and then I put some honey, and I'm going to put in some little olive oil. Not a lot, yeah, because I don't want it to be so dry. I like it like that. Kindly use olive oil or don't use the seed oils. Seed oils are not healthy because they have the bad cholesterol that you don't need in your body. But using the nuts oils, or even coconut, you can do olive, you can do sesame, you can do any other oils, but not seed oils. Kindly, I'm going to show you how I'm going to dress I like mine juicy a bit. Yeah, juicy a bit. Then I'm going to squeeze. This will have a sharp taste of lemon. I'm going to squeeze in some lemon to balance now the taste. This one is going to be very yummy. Very yummy. I like it like this. This is a very healthy salad. As we said, you can opt to do the guacamole, and as we said, you can choose to do the guacamole, the one in shredded form, but you can use any other vegetables that you have. You can do many other that you want to include. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to this beautiful channel, where you're getting more and more educated about your health, the simple remedies about your health, your body health, your skin, your hair, and general health, using the affordable things that you have at home. It's just using this is not at all expensive. It's very cheap. Cactus just grows anywhere. It can grow in the bushes. Yeah, just make use of it. If you have them, just know how to preserve them, to protect them from diseases, to make them healthy. They're going to sort you out. You can see this is the fruit salad that I did before. Very yummy. You can do any dressing that you want. I just did this one. You can do many others. You can just go to the video, just check the video description above here. We've put the link on how we made the fruit salad, cactus fruit salad, and I know you're going to enjoy these beautiful healthy remedies. Thank you so much. God bless you so much.